This 5-minute solution will show you how to view Facebook page as a visitor. So right now, I will show you two different methods to view your Facebook page as a visitor. The first method is go to your page profile and tap on this three dot and tap on view as, and then you will be able to view your Facebook page as a visitor. And to turn off this feature, tap on this cross icon at the top left. Okay, this was the first method. And the second method is you have to use a different Facebook account to view your Facebook page. So I'm going to my menu section and I'm going to switching to my Facebook profile, and now I can search for the Facebook page here. So type here your Facebook page name and search for it, and here select pages, and here scroll down and search for your Facebook page. So here is my page. I'm going to opening my page, and now I can easily view my page as a visitor. I can also like my page from my Facebook profile. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.